rose napkin fold. So this is the rose napkin fold. So this is the rose napkin fold. So first, fold the napkin into half, creating a triangle. Then, fold the bottom about around 1 inch. Then fold it again all the way up. Then you have to stop if there is around 2 to 3 inches left. Then roll the bottom. Make sure that this is very tight. Okay. And make sure that this is flat. And then tack this into the base. Okay. Then you fold this down. Then you have to fold this downward and fold the other side downward. You have a nice rose napkin fold.
This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.